All right, guys, we are back again. We've got Derrick here going to do 2 boxes of 2013 Ultimate Collection Football. Let's keep this hot streak going. Seen a lot of good stuff out of this so far today. All right, got a booklet. Start off with an Aaron Dobson, number 299. And then we've got rookie booklet number 199, Ryan Nassib.
This has changed. I used to sell cards 25 years ago, but there weren't as many companies. Oh my goodness, it's overwhelming.
We got 15 of 25. Seen a lot of Justin Hunter stuff. Making Trevor jealous. Jumbo 1-color patch. And this is a 3-hit box. Daryl LaMonica. Ultimate dual jersey, number 2 of 50. Alright, box 2. Got another booklet right on top this time. Right on, and we got a redemption. Nice. All right, number 199, Monty Ball. Monty Ball. I'll skip the redemption. We'll save it. This is actually a 4-hit box. Billy Cannon, 55 of 60. Dual patch, Heisman Trophy winner. And Anthony Carter, dual jersey, 14 of 50. All right, let's see what we got here. Nice. We've got a signature jersey, number 30. This is a dual jersey autograph. Tavon Austin. Tavon Austin. It's a 4-hit box. 3-hit box and a 4-hit box. Not bad at all, Derek. Appreciate it. Later, buddy.